Hi, I'm Lucas from GT Towing, and today I'm going to show you through the range of new Ifor Williams horse trailers. Starting here with the HBX range, the new range. In a more streamlined appearance, we have the aluminium body, which makes it lighter to tow and more fuel efficient, as well as longer lasting. A new feature that's included as standard in the HBX range of trailers is the ability to open your rear ramp as a single door. Simply close your ramp, pull on the lever on the bottom corner of your trailer, undo the latch above it, and this will then swing open as a door. This makes your horse trailer a little more versatile. Some horses prefer to unload backwards, and it's made easier by stepping out of the trailer. But more commonly, if you're looking to collect your hay for your horse, that can be done using a fork truck by loading it into the rear of your trailer. One day you're carrying horses, next day you're carrying goods. With the feature of the new translucent perspex windows, it really invites the light inside the trailer, but you still have the private and slick appearance of a black panel. The single horse trailer enables you to carry one horse up to 16 two-hands, and this is available in the HB range as well. You'll have an option of a variety of colours. Here we have the black, we have the black HBX. The difference in colours are the front and the roof. Also available are the silver and the red. In our HB range, we have black, we have red, we have graphite grey, we have blue and silver. The more traditional model that we see here, the HB 403, has very similar features, but based on that wooden panelled body. It will carry the same size horse and shares the chassis with the HBX. Moving through the range, we then come to our twin or double horse trailers. We have the smaller HB 506, which will take two horses up to 16 two-hands, and then the HB 511 range that will take two horses up to 17 two-hands. Here at GT Towing, as standard, we include the sliding windows at the front of the trailer. The spare wheel is also standard, and we will throw in a complimentary number plate with every horse trailer purchase.